Hi family, today we're taking a look at this karaoke machine. We're going to unbox it, show you guys exactly what you get. That way you are prepared and we're going to test it out for y'all. So stay tuned. Alright. So we can see that they provide us with the AA batteries and cables, your manual, your power adapter. Looks like we got 2 microphones. So let's take a look here. Okay, so your standard microphones. Top is removable for cleaning. That's great. It's always nice that you can remove them. Battery compartment bay. Press and hold the power button to turn the power on. This is wireless, which is great. Let's turn off some lights so you guys can see the effects on here. And you can adjust the colors. So as you can see, you can change different setups on here. Testing. Alright, let's go ahead and turn on our microphone by pressing and holding. Alright, testing. Alright, make sure you keep the microphone at a distance from this unit. So if you have, see, you get that really hum. So testing. 1, 2, 3. Can I get it? 4,000. She's an 8, she's a 9, she's a 10. I know. So as you guys can see, you can adjust it and you can see that how the colors are going with my voice. So in person, the quality is very, very crisp, very, very deep as well. And we can turn the volume. Wow, 65%. We're at 80% now. 100%. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's glad to see you all out tonight. Yeah, this is actually extremely good quality. So far, this is definitely in the top 5 karaoke machines that I've ever reviewed as far as the quality goes. So we're going to go far away now. I'm going to go in a couple other rooms here. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Hello, everybody, and welcome back. So we can adjust the microphone with the mic. So it is at 100%, and we are well in another area. We're actually now upstairs. So hopefully it's still playing. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. So this is just kind of give a test run of if you want to be far away from the actual speakers. So testing. 1, 2, 3. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the start of the show. All right, guys, we're coming back now. Give me a minute here. All right, we are back. So let's go ahead and take a look here at the modes. Line. So you got line in, you got Bluetooth mode. So that's pretty awesome. Due to CP reasons, we can't play music, but I actually like this a lot. So when you remove the microphone from your from your mouth and put it at a distance, it actually doesn't pick up the background noise. So what you guys are hearing is the microphone is maybe at a foot and a half distance from my mouth, and you don't hear it. You only hear it when I get closer. So let's see how close we can get here. Closer, about a foot. Okay, now it's starting to pick up a little bit. Probably about 6 inches from our mouth. That is amazing. So if you're talking but you want to keep a conversation private, you can just simply move the mic from your mouth. Just like that. I have to say, this is probably this is definitely in the top 3 karaoke machines I have ever reviewed. For quality, for design, I mean, easily pick it up and carry it with you. On the back here, you can see you got a USB, PC, audio, DC input as well. Just overall, this is a very impressive karaoke machine. Very, very impressive. The bass, the treb is good. Overall, like, I'm gonna test it with some music. We can't have that playing due to CP reasons, but I'm gonna test it out because I think the bass is gonna be pretty awesome with this unit as well. Okay, instead of us rambling on and on, overall, I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, we are back. I tried it with Bluetooth. Works amazing. The bass is good. The treb is good. This is fighting for the #1 spot. I think this might actually come in with and be the best karaoke machine. You know what? No, it's second to best. There is one that was way more it was huge. It was on a more professional level. Like this is professional for being what it is. But the #1 was like huge. Like it was a boombox. Like it was, and it had so many features. But this definitely comes in second place, and I've reviewed probably 20, 30, 40 different karaoke / boombox type machines, and very impressed with this.